Hi there! Today I'm going to show you how to replace and install these compatible ink cartridges in these compatible printers. So let's get started. First, we'll need to remove the old ink cartridges. Open the ink cartridge cover by pulling it down. Next, press the lock release lever to release the ink cartridge. The printer's LCD will indicate which color needs to be replaced. This printer uses 4 cartridges. From left to right, the cartridges are magenta, cyan, yellow, and black. Now take the new ink cartridge out of its bag. Be careful not to touch the area indicated on the cartridge to ensure the machine can detect it properly. For the black ink cartridge, give it a quick shake horizontally 15 times before inserting it into the machine. Insert the new ink cartridge into the correct slot, following the direction of the arrow on the label. Each color has its own position, so make sure to place it correctly. Gently push the area marked push until the ink cartridge locks into place. Then close the ink cartridge cover. The machine will reset the ink dot counter. If the printer doesn't detect the new ink cartridge, remove it and reinstall it slowly until it locks into place. Here are a few important tips. Don't shake the ink cartridges once they're installed. If ink stains your skin or clothing, wash with soap or detergent immediately. Also, avoid removing ink cartridges unless they need to be replaced, as the machine won't know the remaining ink quantity. And don't touch the ink cartridge insertion slots to prevent staining your skin. If you accidentally mix up the colors, the LCD will show a wrong ink color message. Just check which cartridges are mismatched and correct their positions. And there you have it. Your new ink cartridges are installed and you're ready to print. Remember, if you have any ink stains, wash them off immediately with soap or detergent. Thanks for watching and happy printing!